Namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about something that is often whispered about in secret, feared by some and completely misunderstood by many. When you hear about the word Tantra, what comes to your mind? Black magic, strange rituals, or something taboo? The truth is far more deeper and far more fascinating. Tantra is not about fear, it is not about superstition. It is a mystical science from India that deals with one of the most powerful forces in the universe, energy. In this video, we are going to peel back the layers, break the myth, and uncover the forbidden world of Tantra. Whispered in hushed tones, feared by many, and misunderstood by most. The word Tantra often conjures images of black magic, secret rituals, or dangerous powers. But what if Tantra is not about fear, but about unlocking the deepest mysteries of human energy? This is the hidden world of Tantra, India's forbidden mystical science. In the West, Tantra is often reduced to sexuality. In India, it's often feared as dark sorcery. Both images miss the truth. Tantra is a Sanskrit word meaning the loom, the weave. It is the science of weaving energy, physical, mental, and spiritual, to realize the full potential of life. While some tantric practices do involve rituals with fire, symbols, or even cremation grounds, at its core, Tantra is about one thing: mastery of energy. Not just the energy that powers your body, but the universal energy that holds the cosmos together. Tantra teaches that the universe is made of Shakti, the primal energy of creation. Most of us live unaware of this force, like fish in water who never see the ocean. But the Tantric masters sought to harness it. Through mantras, yantras, and meditation, they created doorways into altered states of consciousness. The famous Sri Yantra, for example, is not just a symbol, it's a map of the cosmos, a key to entering higher dimensions of awareness. Tantric practices also gave birth to the concept of Kundalini, the serpent power sleeping at the base of the spine. When awakened, it rises like lightning, igniting hidden centers of consciousness and transforming the practitioner forever. So, why is Tantra called forbidden? Because it breaks boundaries. Unlike mainstream spirituality, which emphasizes renunciation, Tantra embraces the raw forces of existence, desire, fear, even death, and transforms them into pathways to liberation. This is why Tantra was practiced in secrecy, passed only from master to disciple. In the wrong hands, the techniques could be misused for domination or illusion. In the right hands, they became tools for freedom, a way to transcend the ordinary and touch the infinite. It is said that a true tantric does not escape life but dives into its deepest currents and emerges free. Today, fragments of Tantra are scattered across the world in yoga studios, in meditation circles, even in popular culture. But the true depth of Tantra remains hidden. It is not about indulgence, nor about fear. It is about balance, learning to weave the dark and the light, the body and the spirit into a single thread of awakening. In many ways, Tantra is the missing piece of the global search for meaning, a science that dares to embrace the whole of existence, not just the parts we find comfortable. Tantra is not black magic. It is not taboo. It is a reminder that the most powerful temples lies within us, waiting to be unlocked. The question is, are we ready to face the shadows, to touch the fire, and to awaken the energy that has always been ours? This was just a basic introduction into the world of Tantra. Now we know Tantra is not only about sex, it is a completely different subject altogether. If you want to know more about the world of Tantra, I have pasted some YouTube video links in the description, which talks more about Tantra. So, see you all in the next video. God bless you all and bye bye.